Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Yummy Bites by Sunita. Today I'll be showing you all how to make Chettinad style prawn masala. So let's begin. So friends, for making Chettinad prawns masala, we'll be requiring 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. We'll be also requiring a lot of spices. I've taken 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of pepper seeds, 2 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 red chilies, this is bedki, 1 star anise, 1 pinch of fenugreek seeds also called methi seeds, and few pieces of maize also called javitri. So we'll be requiring 1 large onion which I have finely chopped, 1 large tomato which I have pureed it, 1 large sprig of curry leaves, and half kg of prawns. Now let me tell you, I have used the head and the tail. I have deveined it, nicely cleaned, or you can use full prawns which are cleaned nicely, either of one. Which I love prawns with the head and the tail and the shell. I've removed and cleaned, that's why I kept it. But if you don't require or you don't like it, you can use prawns cleaned completely. So the first thing for the prawns, I'm going to add little turmeric powder, little red chili powder, just a little bit of salt, and little lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Mix it well. And let's keep aside till we start with the second process. The first thing, in a small frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, let it heat it. So the oil is heated and I'm going to add all the spices. I'm going to roast it, everything together, and we're going to roast it till the color changes. So friends, the masalas are very well roasted. Now I'm going to grind and make it powder. So this is the spices. After roasting, I've grinded and made a nice powder. Now I've taken a big pan and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now if you don't have mustard oil, you can also use any vegetable oil. Let's heat it up. I'm going to add a pinch of hing and 1 sprig leaf, curry leaves. I'm going to add the chopped onion and I'm going to roast it till it's light brown. Mix it well and let it in slow gas, roast it till it's almost light brown. The onion color changes. The onions colors have changed. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, and I'm going to cook it for a minute. So I'm going to add the Chettinad masala what we made. I'm also going to add red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric, and I'm going to cook it for 1 minute. And now immediately I'm also going to add little water. The reason I'm adding water is so that the spices don't burn. This is very important step. Just a little water. It's been 1 minute. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes which I pureed it. And now we require to cook it at least for 5 to 6 minutes. Till the tomatoes are well cooked and the oil also starts to separate. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, the masalas are well cooked and this is the time I'm going to add the prawns. I haven't added the salt yet because I added little salt to the prawns, and now I'm going to add little more salt. Mix well, very slowly. And now I'm going to add the salt. Also I'm going to add just very little water. We don't require lots of water. Now if you want to make little gravy, then you can add more water. We're going to cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's almost 6 minutes. Now the prawns are done. I'm going to add lots of nice coriander leaves, finely chopped, and lemon juice. Now you can also add tamarind water if you don't want lemon juice, freshly squeezed, and just mix it slowly. And done. We're going to plate it. So friends, here is a beautiful Chettinad style prawn masala ready. You can have it naan, roti, rice, anything. So guys, I hope you liked today's recipe. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends and family. I'll be sharing many more new recipes. Until then, see you by next time.